morning, everybody. This is the Ministry Dude coming to you from Livingston, Tennessee on this 19th day of January 2026. What a beautiful day, and somebody's at the front door. Lock, quick, dear, run over and lock it. We don't want nobody in here. Yeah, actually, we want somebody in here so I can preach to them. How's everyone doing today? Don't forget to get your heart checked. Check out the comments by the video for a link to our website. Today is the 19th day of January 2026. Look at that. We're like almost 3 weeks into the new year already. How's your New Year's resolution going? Ours is going great. We made a resolution to get healthy, wealthy, and wise. We got the healthy part down pretty much, but the wealthy and the wise stuff it's coming slower. Yeah, we got the healthy part is it's like a rabbit, it's getting quick, but the wealthy and wise part, that's like the tortoise. It's just going a little slower, but we're getting there. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do Philippians 4. What's that, dear? I didn't hear you. Philippians. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I say rejoice. Let this joy widen your heart and remind you that goodness and hope are present with you now. Gentleness and nearness. Let your moderation be known to all men. The Lord is at hand. Imagine a calm, steady presence with you right where you are. Your response to others can be calm, kind, and steady because you are not alone. God is with you. Inhale, exhale any tightness in your body, in your mind. Just calm your thoughts. Be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your request be made known unto God. And the peace of God, which passeth all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Say this to yourself. I release what I cannot control. I bring my requests with gratitude before God. I receive the peace that guards my heart and mind. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out worry. In gratitude. Out worry. See, I practice this with yoga too. Control your breathing. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out worry. All worry is gone from your body. Finally, brethren, whatever so things are true, whatever so things are honest, whatever so things are just, whatever so things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are good report. If there be any virtue, and it be there be any praise, think on these things. Bring to mind one or two positive, true things you can focus on today. Thoughts shape your mood. Choose your thoughts that uplift, restore, and empower. If you think, oh man, today's going to be so terrible, then it's going to be terrible. But if you think, man, I'm going to have a great day today. Whenever somebody asks me, how you doing today? I say, fantastic. You got to have a positive mindset. What are you going to do today? I'm going to rejoice in the Lord. He is going to guide me today. If your mind wanders, gently redirect these qualities. Choose thoughts that uplift, restore, and empower you. Those things which ye have both learned and received and heard and seen in me, do, and the God of peace shall be with you. I will apply what is good, true, and noble in my daily life. I will act with integrity, love, and courage, trusting that peace accompanies me as I do. Let your resolve settle into your heart. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. I am strengthened for what lies ahead through Christ who gives me strength. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Now we're going to close with a short blessing. May the peace that passes understanding guard your heart today. And may you move through your day with quiet confidence and compassion. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in this morning. I really hope that uplifted you and helped you today to start your day off on a positive note. This is Mark, the Ministry Dude, saying thanks for watching. Get your heart checked, please. And check out the comments about the video for a link to our website, ministrydude.com. We'll see you again tomorrow.